Okay, you finished week 2 of school and we are moving on to week 3. Last week you learned all about what it means to be an advocate for yourself and how to do that in the best ways. And this week we're going to talk about the things that you're awesome at. Um, we're going to be talking about the skills that you can do. By the end of this week, I'm hoping that you're able to explore some of the skills that are required for different activities or different careers, that you're going to investigate the link between what skills you have and what goals for different careers you have. You'll be able to explain how transferable skills are developed through your school, your extracurricular activities, your community experiences like community service, and you'll be able to analyze how those skills contribute to your readiness for your education, your life, your work. Okay, so starting with day 1 this week, you guys are going to update your skills um, in Zello. So you'll go to My Apps, log into Zello again, and on your dashboard, there's one here that says Skills. Okay, and you will have already had these 3 careers saved, so it'll let you keep going. Um, you are going to explore all 6 skills categories, and then you can add any skills that you're currently working on, and you have attained to some degree. You'll rate each skill based on how good you are at it. It can be anything from 1 star to 3 stars. 1 star is like you're a beginner at it. 3 stars means you're awesome at it. And then you're going to, for your assignment, draw your skills on Google Drawings. Okay. For day 2, you're going to complete the Zello lesson titled Skills, where you're going to explore those skills. And then there is a daily assessment here. Day 3, you're going to be looking at transferable skills. So, how do your current experiences help you prepare for things that you're going to need to do in a career or a job? So you are going to complete the following for your 3 saved careers that you did in week 1. Um, and you will go through these 3 things in Zello. And here's your daily assessment. Make sure that you're completing these daily assessments. You can do everything in Zello, but if you don't turn in the daily assessment, you did not complete the assignment. Lesson 4, you are going to answer this question after reading through. And you're going to, for day 4, pursue your interests. So you're going to investigate high school options for Fort Worth ISD. You might end up being here for high school. I hope. I hope you do. But you can post your discoveries and interests uh, to your Zello About Me profile. And then for day 5, you are going to complete this Google Doc by answering with 3 questions that you have about high school. Okay? Let me know if you have questions. I am available to answer them. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.